Well, I have some right here. Okay, let me just. Okay, today we're doing linked list. Uh, Alright, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be building, nothing. I had to practice my, accents a little bit better so I don't embarrass myself as much. Cause you ever get invited to a party and it's like everyone's speaking in accents and you just try to, you try to join along? Uh, you probably don't get invited to parties, but right, we want to be able to prepend. We want to be able to add text to the front and the back, right? That's what she said. Let's see. So, you want to build a text editor, do you? I fucked up. So, you want to build a text editor, do you? Well, you come to the right place. So today we're going to be building a text editor. I'm English, not English. I'm American. Today we're going to be building a text editor. No, that's not what we're doing. That's not what we're doing at all. Okay, today we're doing. Let me think. What were we doing? Sorry. Let me drink some coffee. That might calm me down. All right, so buffery, like buffer but buffery. It's like Jeffrey, buffery. I went to sleep, had nightmares, woke up, fixed the code. The nightmares were about the code, by the way. And I took a caffeine pill, so sorry if time slows down. Okay, that has nothing to do with what we were doing here. This just reverses the list. My bad. I don't know. I think my brain's just it's not right. Okay, so today we're gonna be building a text editor. Okay, I don't know. So you come you I don't know. Okay, maybe I should just do a normal intro. Okay, normal. Activate. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a gap editor